Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a cruise enthusiast planning your next adventure with Carnival Cruise Line, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into how to use Carnival Fun Points in 2025 Feet, the ultimate loyalty program that's making vacations even more rewarding. First off, what exactly are Fun Points? They're points you earn through Carnival's rewards system, designed to give you perks like discounts, upgrades, and exclusive experiences on your cruises. With updates for 2025, earning and using them has never been easier or more exciting. Let's start with how to earn Fun Points. You can rack them up by booking a cruise directly through Carnival's website or app. That's a quick way to get started. Plus, for every dollar you spend on board, like on excursions, spa treatments, or specialty dining, you'll earn even more points. Don't forget about partner promotions. In 2025, Carnival has teamed up with select hotels and travel sites, so linking your accounts could boost your earnings by up to 20%. Pro tip: sign up for the Carnival Hub app to track your points in real time and never miss an opportunity. Now, onto the fun part: using your Fun Points. Once you've accumulated enough, redeeming them is straightforward. Head to your Carnival account online, navigate to the rewards section, and select what you want to redeem. Options include free drinks packages, cabin upgrades, or even credits toward your next cruise. For 2025, there's a new feature allowing you to combine Fun Points with cash for bigger redemptions, making it super flexible. Remember, points expire after 18 months, so use them wisely. To maximize your Fun Points, always check for bonus earning events, like during peak sailing seasons. And if you're a VIFP, very important Fun Person, member, you'll get accelerated points. It's Carnival's way of rewarding loyal cruisers. In summary, Carnival Fun Points are your ticket to a more affordable and luxurious cruise experience in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next video.